on Facebook and oh my god, no service! Oh my god! How will I talk to Harry with no service? How? How am I supposed to update my Facebook? Okay. Why is there no service? Why? I think we got transported to the old country. What do you think, Zoe?
That's a helicopter.
Now we have to survive. You ready for this? We will make cheese in the old country and show the modern world what we're made of. Dun 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 dun!
Hello, Kelly. Hello, Zoe. Welcome to my home. No?
Look! A feather. I think there's chickens close by. I'll sniff them out with my super sharp razor chicken smelling nose. Yeah! Chickens. Look at those chickens. My chicken's bigger than yours.
What are we gonna eat? I already told you I have a house. We can just go cook something.
Cook? But my fingers hurt from texting.
You have those things too, like Zoe?
Yes. So 1, 2. How long has it been?
It was 4 o'clock, I think.
So it's been about 30 minutes and it's puffed up so much. Whoa, that's weird. Here, do you want to put it in there?
Yeah.
And you'll need to add just a hint of Chihuahua.
After all of this
Ready?
Yeah.
Like, bring it around town. Now for a short break.
Kind of brown. Brown it a little.
Can you tell Ryan? Okay, go ahead and add it.
Okay, I'll help you out. I got this.
I'm going to give you the spatula.
Okay, so now we're just pouring in the cheese into the butter.
Cottage cheese.
There we go, the cottage cheese. And now you see the lovely Zoe Rothenberger stirring this delicious creamy cheese. Mmm, look at it.
Zoe, was that a
Look at Zoe. Mmm, look
that a
at Zoe.
Was that a what are we using? We'll probably use all of them.
I'm going to turn this off because you don't want it to burn.
It's darker than me, Zoe.
This cheese is darker than
The cheese is darker than Kelly. Oh wait, and a dash. Wait, where's the
Here's salt.
That's salt. Ready? And a dash of salt.
More.
Couple dashes. That good?
Stir it in.
You don't have to say you love me. Just be close. You don't have to stay forever.
Singing to the cheese.
Believe me. Believe me. I will never tie you down. Okay. Ready?
Oh my god, it's really cheese.
Okay, you can turn it off.
My baby girl.
him, wait. I'm not sure about this cheese, Shanti. This cheese is amazing, Kelly.